Welcome to this explainer. I am absolutely thrilled you're tuning in today. Look, if you're a focused learner, someone actively hunting for the most efficient, ruthless ways to absorb information, you are in the exact right place. Today we're unpacking a really brilliant, high-efficiency strategy from a script by Art SmartLab. We're going to break down their methodology for using Google's NotebookLM to completely transform those massive, deeply intimidating documents into quick, highly effective study notes.
Okay, let's dive into this. Does this scenario resonate with you at all? You've got exams looming, and you're just staring down this absolute mountain of endless PDFs. We're talking hundreds of pages of dense textbooks, massive, sprawling slide decks, and it just feels entirely, paralyzingly overwhelming, right? It's that classic study chaos every student or lifelong learner absolutely dreads. I mean, the sheer volume of information can literally stop your prep before you even begin. But don't worry, today we're looking at a structured, foolproof way right out of that chaos.
So here is our rapid-fire roadmap for today. Step 1, the exam study solution. Step 2, uploading sources. Step 3, priming your brain. Step 4, active recall. And finally, Step 5, achieving top marks. Let's get right to it.
Starting off with Section 1, the exam study solution, conquering the chaos. So what is NotebookLM? Well, it's Google's AI study assistant. And let's be clear, this isn't just your generic search engine or run-of-the-mill chatbot. Not at all. It's specifically designed to take your massive, overwhelming documents and completely distill them down into quick, punchy, effective study notes. Think of it as your ultimate, highly personalized AI study assistant. It's built from the ground up to organize and synthesize the exact, specific information you actually need to learn.
Moving right along to Section 2. Uploading your sources and setting up your workspace.
The whole process kicks off by creating a new dedicated notebook. And honestly, from there, you just drag and drop everything directly in. It's that simple. You drop in your syllabi, those impossibly heavy textbook PDFs, massive lecture slide decks, or, and this is super cool, you can even paste YouTube links directly from your video lectures. You're basically building this centralized, entirely custom database of exactly what you are required to know for your exam.
Now, what's really interesting about this next point is the absolute best part of the whole system. There are absolutely no random internet hallucinations. Seriously. Unlike standard AI tools that just kind of pull from wherever, NotebookLM grounds its answers entirely, and I mean strictly, in the specific syllabi, textbooks, and lectures that you just uploaded. You can actually trust the notes it generates because they're coming directly from your own course materials.
All right, Section 3, priming your brain by generating custom study aids.
And this brilliantly illustrates how NotebookLM automatically generates multiple formats to fit exactly how you learn best. Let's look at the audio overview. With literally one click, it turns your driest documents into this engaging, two-host podcast discussing your material. It is absolutely perfect for passive learning, like listening while you're walking the dog, doing chores, or commuting to class. Then you've got the notebook guide. If you're a visual learner, you just open this up and boom, it automatically creates study guides, timelines, or FAQs. It gives you those quick visual summaries you need to really grasp the big picture. And finally, the AI chat. If you need highly specific notes, say you want it to compare two very specific theories from your cellular biology module, you just ask the chat. It gives you the answer based strictly on your sources, and you simply hit Save to Note to lock that specific response right into your workspace. It's just incredibly efficient.
Now on to Section 4, Active Recall and Testing, which is truly the magic step.
Let's move to and see how this builds a complete, closed-loop self-testing system. Step 1. You ask NotebookLM to generate custom practice questions for, let's say, your upcoming macroeconomics midterm. Step 2, and guys, this is absolutely crucial. Don't just think about the answer in your head. Type it out, in your own words, right there in the chat window. And then Step 3, this is where the real magic happens. Ask the AI to grade your response against your uploaded sources. It will analyze your answer, cross-reference it with the textbook and lecture slides you provided, and tell you exactly what you missed. It's like having a tutor right there, allowing you to pinpoint and instantly spot your weak points way before test day even arrives.
Finally, Section 5, Achieving Top Marks, and our final takeaways.
I absolutely love this quote straight from the Art SmartLab script book. And that's how you turn study chaos into top marks with NotebookLM. It just perfectly sums up the whole transformation we've been exploring. By utilizing a trusted AI that only references your specific materials, automatically generating audio and visual study guides, and then leveraging that AI for active recall and self-grading, you completely eliminate the chaos. You are optimizing literally every minute of your study time with some seriously smart learning hacks.
So as we wrap up this explainer, I want to leave you with a question to really think about. What previously overwhelming study topic will you conquer first with your new AI assistant? We all have that one subject, right? Or that one dense chapter we've been putting off because it's just a nightmare to get through. Well, I highly encourage you to take that exact material, drop it into NotebookLM, and test out this active recall methodology for yourself. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today. If you found this breakdown helpful, definitely seek out Art Smart Lab for even more smart learning hacks. Good luck crushing those exams, and keep on learning.